Hey everyone! Welcome back to Quantum Gears. Today, we're diving into a topic that connects all of us, networking and the internet. If you've ever wondered how your devices communicate or how the internet works, you're in the right place. Let's break it down in simple terms. Let's start with networking. In the simplest terms, networking is the process of connecting multiple devices so they can share data, resources, and information. Think of it as a group of friends passing notes in class, only in this case, the friends are devices like computers, smartphones, or servers. Take your home as an example. Your router connects to your ISP, or internet service provider, and that router then connects to your devices like laptops, smartphones, or even smart TVs. That's a basic home network. In larger settings like offices or schools, networking becomes more complex, involving switches, routers, and sometimes even dedicated servers. But the principle is the same, sharing information efficiently. There are some common terms you might hear when discussing networking. For example, LAN, or Local Area Network, this is a network in a small area, like your home or office. WAN, or Wide Area Network, this is a larger network that spans cities or even countries. And yes, the internet is the largest one in the world. Now that we know what networking is, let's zoom out and talk about the internet. The internet is essentially a global network of networks. It's millions of computers and devices interconnected, sharing information through a standard set of rules called protocols. When you send a message, browse a website, or stream a video, your data is broken into smaller chunks called packets. These packets travel through multiple networks to reach their destination, and this entire process is what we call the internet. Speaking of rules, there are two key protocols that make the internet work. 1. IP, or Internet Protocol. This ensures data packets are addressed correctly. 2. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol. This ensures packets are delivered reliably, in the right order. Networking and the internet work hand in hand. Networking provides the infrastructure, routers, switches, and cables that connect devices locally. The internet takes it a step further, connecting local networks globally, allowing you to access websites, send emails, or video call someone halfway across the world. So, why should you care about networking and the internet? Well, they power almost everything we do today. From streaming your favorite shows to running businesses or even automating smart homes, none of it would be possible without these technologies. Here's a fun fact. Did you know the internet was first created in the late 1960s as a way for researchers to communicate? Fast forward to today, and it's become an essential part of our everyday lives. So, to summarize, networking is about connecting devices to share information, and the internet is a global network that connects millions of networks together. Together, they've revolutionized the way we live and work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.